everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in partnership with Physicians Formula, and I'm going to be creating a brown smoky eye makeup look using their new limited edition Ultimate Butter collection. To get started with today's eye makeup look, I'm going in with the Butter eyeshadow in the shade Beach Beige and working that into my crease as a transition shade, and I'm just using windshield wiper motions to really blend that in. To deepen up the crease, I'm going in with the shade Sand Dunes, which is kind of a orangey brown shade, and again just applying that into my crease and blending that in really well. Now I'm going in with the shade Off the Coast and working that into the outer V of my eyelid and just using circular motions to really blend that in well. Deepen it up just a little bit more, I'm going in with the shade Coco Loco, and again just going right over the same area that I applied the Off the Coast shade. Using my finger, I'm now going in with the shade White Sands and applying that to the center part of my eyelid. To add some sparkle, I'm now going in with the shade Coconut Kiss and applying that right over where I applied the White Sands. And then I also added a little bit of the Reservation for Two shade to add just a little bit more sparkle. Now I'm going in and applying foundation. I'm using the Healthy Foundation from Physicians Formula, which is one of my favorites, and I'm just applying that with a makeup sponge. Next, I am going in and blending out all of my concealer. I applied it to my under eyes, my forehead, under my nose, and my chin. Next, to add some color to my face, I'm going in with the bronzer, Butter Bronzer, and applying that to my cheeks, my forehead, and my jawline. Now to contour, I'm going in with the Sculpting Bronzer shade and just really defining out the cheekbones and the forehead and around my nose. For some blush, I am going in with the shade Beachy Peach, which is absolutely gorgeous, and applying that to the apples of my cheeks. To add some sparkle and glow to the cheeks, I'm going in with the Champagne Butter highlighter and just applying that with my fingertips and dabbing that on the top of my cheekbones. Using the shade After Dark from the Butter eyeshadow palette, I am just applying that to the lower lash line of my eyes and keeping that on the outer corner just to add a little bit more depth to this eye makeup look. Next, I'm going in with my Organic Wear Precision Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Brown, and I'm going to create a slight winged line on both eyelids. If you haven't tried this eyeliner out yet, I highly recommend it. I'm super picky with eyeliners and this one is great. I love the shade Black as well. Moving on, we are going in with the Organic Wear Fake Out Mascara in black, and I'm just applying 2 coats to my eyelashes. For the lips, I'm going in with the Organic Wear Nourishing Lipstick in the shade Sugar Plum. The shade is so pretty for fall and winter, and I'm also adding in the Acai Berry Lip Cream from the Ultimate Butter Collection over it, just to give it a slight glossy look. Last but not least, I'm going in with the Rosé All Stay Illuminating Setting Spray and just applying that all over my face to give a nice, beautiful, glowy finish. If you enjoyed today's makeup look, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and head over to the blog for all the details on the new Ultimate Butter Collection from Physicians Formula.